Okay, yeah, I'm coming in real quick. I got a package. I am super excited for this package. As you do see, this is my Lainey Wilson Stanley Cup. Yay! Lainey Wilson Stanley Cup. If you don't know, Stanley Cups is a hot seller, and this collab came out like a week or so ago, and I finally got mine. It took forever for them to deliver it or for it to ship. This collection sold out in 10 minutes. If you don't know, this is a country singer. She collabed with Stanley, and this cup goes along with her hit song Moonshine. Yes, and that's what this is. This is Moonshine. Let me get it out the box. Look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. Watermelon Moonshine. Yes. I am so happy I was able to get the cup. Yes. Bell Bottom Country. Yes. I really don't listen to her music. I got it because I actually do like the cup. So why not get it? I love Stanley cups. So this features a green handle, green lid, pink logo, and like a copper tone actual cup. So yes, let's see it, y'all. I love the packaging. The packaging is everything. So nice. Let's take this out. It's actually wrapped in there really well. Okay, let's unbox. Yes, there we go. It's wrapped really good. It's wrapped so good. Here we go, y'all. Oh my gosh. So nice. I love it. Again, like I said, the green lid comes with the green straw, green handle, pink logo. As you do see, that pink logo, and then a copper tone cup. Oh, it's so nice. So nice. No flaws. It don't look like any flaws. Thank goodness. From what I could see, really nice. But here we go. As y'all do see, it features this green handle, the green lid, along with the straw. This is the second version of the quencher. The quencher 40 ounce. As you see, it comes with the new upgraded lid. It's supposed to stop the cup from leaking, but from what I understand, it still leaks. So as you do see, it has that pink logo, and then this copper tone actual tumbler. So yes, so nice. So nice. I love it. This is so nice. As you see, no flaws, and y'all do know Stanley cups come with a lifetime warranty. So if anything go wrong with your cup, you most definitely could put in a claim. And the actual details of the cups, like what all it do, holds your ice for 2 days, keeps your drinks super cold. So true. True. So this cup retail for $55. It is a limited edition that sold out within 10 minutes. Country singer Lainey Wilson. I'm not sure if she's going to come out with another collab. I'm not sure, because this one sold out so fast. It's so many people that didn't get the cup because it sold out extremely fast, like in 10 minutes. So I don't know. If you look online, these cups is selling for between $150 and like $200 on Macquarie, on all of those resale apps or sites. So yeah, I'm happy that I was able to snag one. Yes, I'm happy. And it was wrapped so nice. It came in all of this. Of course, y'all know the box it came in. So many good details. It was the box was very detailed, and packaging is so nice. It has that watermelon like look or decoration or design. As you do see, it has the pink and the green This is nice. This was nice. They did a really, really nice job with this collab. This is actually my first collab, my first time buying a collab item. I'm not sure if they've done it before. I don't know. But this is my first one, and I am so happy. I absolutely love it. It is so nice. So nice. So leave down in the comments. Let me know, were you able to grab one of these limited edition Stanley cups with Lainey Wilson? Leave that down at the bottom. Do you like Stanley cup? Do you have a collection of Stanley cups? Leave that down in the bottom, because I have a couple of these cups. Yeah, oh, I'm so happy. It would have been nice if that inside had a little color to it. If the inside was like pink, that would have been so nice. But I really, really love it. I love it. So yeah, leave down in the comments. Let me know, were you able to grab one of these Stanley cups, or was it a complete pass for you? I know a lot of people is still chasing like Starbucks cups. I do have a collection of Starbucks cups, but I don't really buy those anymore because it just wasn't serving what I need a cup to do. This is what I need a cup to do. I need my ice to stay cold, my drink to stay cold, and for it to last for a number of hours. So I absolutely love, love, love Stanley cups. So nice. Again, leave down in the comments, are you chasing these Stanley cups? Leave that down. If you are, how many cups do you have in your collection? Leave that down in the bottom as well. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Again, leave me some comments what your collection look like. Are you chasing these Stanley cups? Do you like these Stanley cups? Do you agree with me that these Stanley cups actually do work and they do keep your drinks ice cold? So yeah, leave that down in the comments. Shout out to all my MVP riders. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching any and everything that I post. I truly do appreciate it. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.